We found that the Cat mining trucks are certainly built to be rebuilt, and it's worked out well for us.
When you buy something from Caterpillar, you're able to rebuild it numerous times and you'll get multiple lives out of it.
It's a tough environment. You really need to be making the most out of that investment. So with the whole design of the Caterpillar equipment, they can get the productivity out of that machine and get to a stage in its life where we can pretty much rebuild that machine and get it back to like new performance again.
The advantage of Cat components is they are built to be rebuilt. This enables the customer to have a lower cost of ownership in their operation.
One of the things that is important to discuss in a rebuild is the fact that you're not scrapping that machine. There's a lot of reusable components. When you're rebuilding a machine, you're actually repurposing a lot of that metal.
Using the genuine Cat parts, we can then pick and choose whether we use new or reman, whatever's going to get us the best cost and the best life out of the component. And it helps us be able to push that component a bit further and try and get more life out of it.
When we're doing a component or a machine rebuild, it's a really good solution that works for us and the customer.
The fact that they get to get used again, and we're still getting the life of a new part out of a Cat Reman.
By using Caterpillar Reman, that iron is going to be in a circular economy where it's being rebuilt several times and we're getting the benefit with a like new product each and every time.
We use Cat Reman parts in most rebuilds, particularly things like engines. We actually will provide our overhauler with a overhaul task document where it will specify using Reman parts in certain aspects. It will still get the life out of the component that we require, and it's a better cost for us.
Using Cat Reman parts and components in our rebuilds makes sense in the way where we have the confidence in the warranty that Caterpillar stand behind. We want to make sure that our quality is of the highest standard, and our customers are seeing that through the value and through the life of that component as well.
I think it's important that the machines are capable of being rebuilt multiple times, having the machines keep on running without having expensive downtime. It's good value for the customers because they get to keep a nice consistent fleet, so being able to get more than one life out of their machine adds a tremendous amount of value for them.